Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our class. Today is English class. Today we will revise the rhyme and learn new sound words.
Children, let's start with the poem. As we are learning the poem, The Wheels on the Bus. So today we will start from the poem. I want all of you to learn the poem. Okay, children? Okay, so let's start. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all round the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all round the town. Second one is wipers. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all round the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all round the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all round the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all round the town. So children, this is a new poem. I have sent you the PDF of this poem. You can open that PDF and you have to write that poem in your notebook. Some of you have already written the poem, but I want everyone to write, because if you learn, then only you can tell to me, okay? You can make videos and you can send to me, okay, whenever I will ask you to send, okay? So this one you have to write down in your notebook. I have sent you the PDF. Please write from there. So children, somewhere the sound of U is a. Okay, the sound of U is a, oo. So we will see one by one. First one is duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Here which sound we can hear? It's a sound, duck, okay. Let's see next one. This is a glue, okay, G-L-U-E, glue. So which sound we can hear from this word? Okay, it's a oo. Yes, glue, oo. Next one is H-O-U-S-E, house. H-O-U-S-E, house. Here also we can hear the sound oo, oo. Okay, house. R-O-U-N-D, round, oo, round. Here also we hear the sound oo. Pluck, pluck, P-L-U-C-K, pluck. Here we can hear the sound pluck, clue, C-L-U-E, clue. Okay, we can hear the sound oo. Mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound. Okay, truck, T-R-U-C-K, truck. B-L-U-E, blue, oo. Cloud, oo. Pound, oo. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Yes, we can hear the sound oo. Pound, P-O-U-N-D, pound. Children, now let's read the words. I will read first and I want all of you to repeat after me. Okay, children, repeat after me. Okay, we have to read the words. Say D-U-C-K, duck, duck. The sound of U is here. Say duck. Say children, duck. G-L-U-E, glue. Repeat after me. Glue. Yes, very good. Glue. H-O-U-S-E, house. Children, house. R-O-U-N-D, round. Repeat after me. Round. P-L-U-C-K, pluck, pluck. C-L-U-E, clue. Children, clue. M-O-U-S-E, mouse, mouse. S-O-U-N-D, sound, sound. T-R-U-C-K, truck, truck. B-L-U-E, blue. This is the blue color. Repeat after me. Blue. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Repeat after me. Cloud. P-O-U-N-D, pound, pound. Okay, now once more I will read for you, children. This is U sound words. We are doing U sound words. So the sound of U is A and Oo. Children, A. Repeat after me. A and Oo. Say oo. Yes. Now I will read for you. Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. G-L-U-E, glue. H-O-U-S-E, house. R-O-U-N-D, round. P-L-U-C-K, pluck. C-L-U-E, clue. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. S-O-U-N-D, sound. T-R-U-C-K, truck. B-L-U-E, blue. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. P-O-U-N-D, pound. Children, now let's practice. Let's practice this one. Okay, open your book, page number 15. Okay, 15. A. Fill in the missing letter in each word. Fill in the missing letter in each word. Okay, so you have to fill the missing letters In each word you have to see the pictures, you have to look at the pictures and you have to identify. You have to search which letter is missing here. Okay, so let's see what is this. Okay, this is a sun. The spelling of the sun is S-U-N. Now children, can you guess which letter is missing here? S-U-N. Yes, the letter U is missing. Now let's write. You also write with me, right? U. S-U-N. Sun. Okay. Okay, now tell me what is this picture? Which picture is this, children? Okay. So this is the picture of a jug. The spelling of the jug is J-U-G. Jug. J-U-G. Jug. So the letter U is missing. Let's write together. U. J-U-G. Jug. Okay. J-U-G. Jug. Okay, now see. This is a puppy. Okay. But here it's written P-U-P. Okay. Pup. Okay. This is dog's cute small baby. Do you love this puppy? Even I love. Okay, but now we have to write the missing letter here. Now children, tell me which letter is missing. First I will tell the spelling. P-U-P. P-U-P. Now which letter is missing? Come on, guess children, you have to guess. Yes, very good. The letter U. Okay. So next one is a bug. This is called a bug. Okay. B-U-G. Bug. B-U-G. Bug. Okay. Now guess which letter is missing here. Yes, children, guess. Very good. I have told you the spelling. The spelling of the bug is B-U-G. Bug. Now, come on, tell me which letter is missing? Yes, the letter U. Okay, bug. Now, next one is, I know some of you like guns so much. Yes, your favorite toy. So, now I will tell you the spelling of the gun. G-U-N. Gun. G-U-N. Gun. Come on children, now tell me which letter is missing here. The letter U. Write in your book. Yes, the letter U is missing. Okay. Next one is mug. The spelling of the mug is M-U-G. Now the letter U is missing. So let's write letter U. Okay, so we have written sun, jug, pup, bug, gun, mug. Okay, there only we can hear the sound A. Okay, U is there but the sound is coming A. Okay, we can hear the sound A. Sun, jug, pup, bug, gun, mug. Okay children, so today we have revised the poem The Wheels on the Bus, as well as we have learned the new lesson Use Sound Words. Now you all have to write this one in your book. Okay, write in your book, and this one keep on reading. You have to read. Okay, keep on reading children. Today we have learned use sound words. So the sound of U is A and U. Okay, I hope you have learned something today.
Thank you children. Have a good day.